There comes a moment in life when you have to stop begging people to see your value. You have to stop shrinking yourself just to fit into places that were never meant to hold you. Respect is not something you chase. It's something you command by the way you live, by the way you carry yourself, and by the way you refuse to accept less than what you deserve. Too many people spend their lives saying yes when their heart is screaming no. They laugh at jokes that cut deep, they stay quiet when they should speak, they accept crumbs when they were made for a feast. And they wonder why they feel invisible. Let me tell you why. When you don't respect yourself, you train the world not to respect you either. Think about it. Every time you let someone walk over your boundaries, you're teaching them it's okay. Every time you put everyone else ahead of you, you're teaching them your needs don't matter. Every time you give discounts on your worth, you are telling the world you don't believe you are enough. But the moment you change that, everything changes. The moment you draw the line, the moment you decide, I am no longer available for disrespect, the world adjusts. And here's the beautiful truth. Respect doesn't mean being hard, cold, or unkind. Respect means knowing your worth so deeply that kindness flows from strength, not weakness. It means giving with an open hand, not because you're afraid to lose people, but because you are already whole without them. Look at the people you admire most. The leaders, the mentors, the ones who walk into a room and instantly command attention, without saying a word. What's their secret? It's not money. It's not titles. It's not power. It's their standard. They've decided, this is who I am. This is how I will be treated. And the world believes them. I've seen it time and time again. The woman who was always overlooked at work until she calmly demanded recognition for her efforts. Suddenly, she wasn't invisible anymore. The man who was everyone's doormat until the day he stopped saying yes to everything. Suddenly, people respected his time. The friend who was taken for granted until she started saying no with confidence. Suddenly, people valued her presence. And yes, when you start respecting yourself, some people will leave. Some people will call you selfish. Some will accuse you of changing. But that's because they benefited from your lack of boundaries. They enjoyed the version of you that was always available, always bending, always giving. Let them go. Because the truth is, losing people who don't respect you is not a loss. It's a gift. It clears the space for those who see your worth and rise to meet it. Respect is not about controlling others. It's about controlling yourself. It's about controlling the way you allow people to treat you. It's about deciding what you will and will not accept. It's about walking away from what doesn't serve you and standing tall in the knowledge that you are enough. Sometimes, respect looks like silence, refusing to argue with someone committed to misunderstanding you. Sometimes, respect looks like distance, stepping back from relationships that drain you more than they build you. Sometimes, respect looks like courage, speaking up even if your voice shakes. And sometimes, respect looks like peace, choosing not to fight battles that don't belong to you. So ask yourself today, where are you giving discounts on your worth? Where are you letting people take advantage of your silence? Where are you lowering yourself to make others comfortable? And then decide, not tomorrow, not someday, but today, that you will raise your standard. Because the moment you do, everything shifts. You'll see doors open that were once closed. You'll attract people who treat you the way you deserve. You'll realize that you don't need to be louder, richer, or busier to be respected. You just need to stand firm in your worth. Respect yourself enough to walk away from what doesn't serve you. Respect yourself enough to stop apologizing for existing. Respect yourself enough to know that saying no is not rejection, it's protection. Because when you respect yourself, the right people will find you, the right opportunities will follow you, and the right life will unfold before you. But it all starts with one simple, powerful decision: to stop betraying yourself and to start honoring yourself. Respect yourself first, and the world will have no choice but to respect you too. If you're interested in this video, please click the subscribe button for more interested video.